Snoring cat. She's dreaming something. She's moving around. I can see she's dreaming something. See, and then people go that, animals don't, not having feelings, but, I mean, there's something going on in their mind too, right? Otherwise they wouldn't dream. So, I do believe that when they die, they go out of their bodies too, just like humans do. They just, animals just can't see how the foot is moving. But she's funny. I'm really glad I got her out of the shelter. I really love her. We had the first couple of weeks were not so easy. She was hissing and everything, but now she's pretty cool. Cool cat now.